Alright, so we've got a screen basically hooked up like a small screen or whatever. I've got a little bit of cooling, just a little bit of fans and stuff like that. We're not running the higher end stuff, so it's not heating up too much at this point. So basically what we're going to do is, so this telemetry wire, so it's going to in there, sorry. And then we're running to a transceiver here. We're going to take this, we're going to cut this, and then we're going to wire it for serial, so it's going to have the ground, and it's going to have the, it's basically a serial connection, two wires, so it's going to have the ground and two comm wires or whatever. We're not going to be powering it, we'll still power this off of here, off the battery, and maintain all that, and then from there we'll alter the code slightly so it doesn't think it's going through a transceiver, and we're just kind of hardwired into it, and then we'll have that companion computer capability, and then we'll be able to start refining things as far as with Python and the existing code for what we're going for here. Again, we're altering the quadcopter code to work in a fixed glider kind of aircraft. It shouldn't be that big a deal. Everything's going to be the same. The hardware, the general makeup of everything. We're just going to have a little bit of work to do where we're not working with four fan blades. We're working with two wings or an atypical propulsion, whatever. But we are getting close now. This opens everything up. We don't have to do any more sensors. With GPS, all the the magnetometer, the barometer, all the different four-axis gyro accelerometer, three-axis gyro accelerometer, everything we kind of need, base components, and then we're going to do the CMOS camera, this board camera here, and then we're not going to add any more extra sensors after that, and we could probably get a lot more functionality and features if we started screwing with the camera, and then maybe put another device between the camera and the Jetson Nano. But let's just get it going. This will make things run quickly. We'll be up to the point where we'll be converting that soft proven code and functioning airframes. Obviously they're quadcopters, but we'll probably end up being able to save some processing and save some. It'll be less complicated to do what we're doing, and we're not necessarily going to be adding all these extra whether it's human tracking or these kind of things that we're seeing that's being done with the quadcopter at this time. So, and this is kind of the leading edge, this two-wire communication, serial connection, and it doesn't have to be an APM 2.8. It could be a Pixhawk. It could be we're just grabbing that telemetry, and then we're altering the code slightly so that we're communicating via the serial connection, and then we work from there. So this should go quicker now, and we don't have to worry about setting up each sensor individually. We have all the functionality we were going to have before, but without all the complications of what I was talking about on this end. So this end is figured out completely, and all we lose is the independence between the two devices. But whatever, let's just get her in the air.